Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Okay, so what you want to do is use some of this thicker yarn from Dollar General. And we're going to cut it at about 8 inches. And of course, we don't pull it real tight. And we're going to try to get all of them about the same length. So all that you have to do is do your lark's head knots all on down the dowel. And just remember, you want it to be the same each time. The knot in the same place. Okay, so what we've done is made 16 lark's head knots on our dowel. Now I'm going to flip it over onto the back side. I'm going to pull and make sure everything is tight as we can get our knots. Flip it over, and I'm going to take my hot glue gun and just glue my knots together. Okay, so now we want to get them evenly spaced and make them Okay, now that we've got done that, we're going to get our hot glue gun again. And just put a little squirt just so your knots won't come undone. Okay. So once you have both of your wings, you want to take something round. What I used is the top of an old lampshade that we no longer used, and I was actually going to get rid of it, and then I had an idea to do this. So put it down, and you're going to have to decide how you want your sticks to go. And I want mine sort of like this. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue these two at the bottom together. And as you can see, I left my skewers their natural color. You can stain them before you get started if you want. Now I'm just going to flip it over. I'm going to align it the way I want it. Now we're going to add a little bit of hot glue. Okay, so you can leave it just as it is, but I have extra beads left over from when I was making jewelry, so I thought it would look cute to add it to the center. So I'm just going to hot glue this little gem down. And there we go.